All right, so after working on this thing for about a week, getting all the paint off, used the chemical stripper, the abrasive wheel, got it down to as close to bare metal as I could. At this point, I'm ready to prime the body and then do some body filler and then probably prime it again and then paint it and then put it back together. So let's do it. Which one do you think is gonna move first? Great. Okay, we got everything lined up here, as you can see, and we're gonna mix up the primer and spray it on. Okay, it's primed. Pretty unpleasant, but we're done. Feel really good. Okay, we're here. Let's see if we can find some paint.
Those are a real good depiction of what the color are going to be. This helps sometimes so you can see a little bit better.
Oh yeah, it kind of takes the gloss out.
Yeah,
Yep.
go ahead and take that. I mean, I'll shine in his eyes too. It's pretty bright. I like that.
Like my shirt. There you go.
I guess then it would just be if you want to go with the flat or the semi-gloss.
Semi-gloss, I think.
Semi-gloss.
Yeah, just middle of the road, somewhere in between.
Sure thing.
It's a terrible color. I look stupid when I'm driving it.
Let's turn it all the way.
I think you guys are all set then.
Yeah.
If you have any questions when you're doing that, give me a call.
Yeah, this says it, but it was 6 to 1
6 to 1 to 1, yep.
Awesome. All right,
Cool.
Andrew, right?
Yes, thank you very much.
Got paint. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how it looks in the can. Sort of a semi-gloss paint. You just spray it on. I think we'll do 2 coats, and then that'll be it. We don't have to clear coat it or anything. So, can't mess up. Only one try. All right, it's painted. I think it looks good. Ed thinks it looks good. We are totally out of paint. There was 6 quarts and it just barely made it. So that was like a lucky thing because it's kind of a pain in the ass to get more. That's it, so we basically just let it dry at this point and try to put it back together without scratching it up. It was fun.